Hello, everyone. Welcome to MK's English, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to learn about family vocabulary and pronouns. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with some basic family words. Listen and repeat. Mother, mother. She, brother, brother. He, sister, sister. She, grandfather, grandfather. He, grandmother, grandmother. She, parents, parents. They. Great job! Now, let's practice with some sentences. Once again, listen and repeat. My mother is kind. She loves to cook. My brother is funny. He tells jokes. My sister is smart. She reads many books. My grandfather is old. He likes to tell stories. My grandmother is sweet. She makes delicious food. My parents are happy. They love me. Okay, so now let's practice using he, she, and they. I will say a sentence, and you fill in the correct pronoun. Ready? My father is strong. Works hard. That's right. My father is strong. He works hard. My sister is a student. Studies every day. That's right. My sister is a student. She studies every day. My parents are kind. Take care of me. That's right. They take care of me. My grandmother is happy. Smiles a lot. That's right. She smiles a lot. Okay, last one. My brother likes soccer. Plays every weekend. Right. He plays every weekend. Great job. Let's play a quick game. I will say a family word, and you say the pronoun. For example, if I say mother, you say she. Ready? Mother, brother, grandparents, sister, father, parents. Awesome, you did it! Today, we learned family words like father, mother, brother, and pronouns he, she, and they. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Now here's your homework. Write a sentence in the comments using he, she, or the. I will check your answers, I promise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.